Have you ever had your doorbell ring in the middle of the night? At 3:33 a.m. Every single night. Her doorbell rings. No one's ever there. No footsteps. No car. Just silence. She checked her camera. It glitches at exactly 3:32 and restarts at 3:34. One night, she stayed awake, crouched by the door. When it rang, she yanked it open. No one. But on the ground, a Polaroid of her, sleeping in her bed last night. Since then, she stopped answering. But the doorbell still rings, and now it rings twice. Subscribe if you dare, or it might ring for you next.